Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we are checking out a 1967 Camaro RS. Beautiful burgundy color with a lot of metallic. And this is a factory rally sport car according to the trim tag. And the hideaway headlights work.
Yeah, it's a really cool car. What this is, Dalt, is a really nice driver.
Yeah, it's just a good-looking driver.
Engine sounds nice.
Yeah, it does. Good running 350, nice set of headers. Edelbrock intake. Just all performance. No
the biggest thing with this is, in 1967, you could tell a factory RS car by the 3L right here in the code, and that's exactly how this car came from the factory. So it's a real RS car, and just like I said, a nice driver, older restoration, but that metallic, that maroon metallic, looks beautiful. Yeah,
it does. Really sharp looking car. As we go around it, we'll point out some chips and stuff that have come from age, but just a good looking car. You can shut the hideaways if you want, shut the lights off. As Chad mentioned, that maroon paint, a lot of beautiful metallic in there. Hood lines up well.
And they're still vacuumed, Dalton, because we shut the lights off, right? The car's off, so the electric doesn't. They're still the vacuum operated. I'm going to fire it up for you quick and make sure those close. Actually, they are electric. They just have the key on.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, so there you go. As we talked about with the age of the paint, you know, we'll find some little chips to point out as we go around. But
the back of the hood lines up awesome, D, while you're down there. The hood really lines up good from front to back also, and I like that cowl hood on it.
Yeah, cowl hood looks great. Grill's original, so you have a couple chips in the Argent, but the grill itself is in real good shape. Bumper's got a nice shine to it. It's got the front shin spoiler.
You got American Racing polished aluminum rims, and they are 17s, 225, 45 17s. Probably the worst part of the entire car is the bottom of both front fenders have a few bubbles in them. But again, the restoration was done probably 10 years ago. It's just showing its age right there. Wouldn't take much to fix that at all. It's way down below the body line, but the rest of the car is really straight.
Yeah, door fits really good there.
It's really nice. Look.
Paint chip right there.
Go ahead, dude.
Oh, just so there's a little scuff right there, but the door fits great.
As we open up the door, the corner of the door has never been rusted here. It's nice and solid. Door jamb paint looks good. It looks like they painted the, you know, when they painted the car, it looks like they painted the car with the doors off. The jamb looks nice there as well. New carpet. Seat covers are in good shape.
Passenger side seat here looks really nice. Back seat's in good shape too. Until there's a little wear on that driver's side back door panel there, but I got some 4 6x9s in that back package tray for sound system. Headliner's nice and tight. It's the original headliner. You can tell with the stitching here. Stitching's coming loose a little bit right there, and then they taped this up, I think, for running that wire to the dome light.
Yep.
The headliner's got a little rip there. Oops, sorry.
Someone did put a performance B&M shifter in, took the original horseshoe shifter out.
Yep. A couple auxiliary gauges there, nice Kenwood radio. The dash pad's in good shape, paint on the glove box, and dash looks good too.
Yeah, definitely not a show car, but just a nice driver, something you can jump in and have some fun with.
Yeah, and still definitely turn heads with the way this thing sits and looks. A couple of bubbles right here.
Dalt, the back glass on this, I mean, it would look a lot better if a guy put a new back glass. It's got a lot of little scratches in that back glass. Somebody probably had some tin on it and took it off and was just rough with it. Inside the trunk, wow, look at this thing.
Yeah,
look at your shock towers. Yeah. Shock towers have never had any repair. I mean, this is just a really, really solid car. Trunk looks 100% original and perfect.
Floors look good too. You can see those on our site, coyoteclassics.com. Check those out for yourself.
So, and the paint, besides those couple spots that we pointed out, it has a beautiful shine and the metallics laid out nicely. Again, your factory Original RS car. It's got the RS gas caps, got the reverse lights down on the tail panel as well. Car's got a great stance too.
Yeah, it does. It's a pretty color. It's almost like a house of colors or,
Yep.
or nice brand of paint.
It's very similar to the original color back in 1967, the maroon, but this has just a little more metallic in it.
Yeah.
It just has a great shine.
Light scratch here on the...
And there's some little stuff here, like you said. It's to be a show car, you'd want to repaint it, but it's got a great shine and it's a nice straight car.
Yeah. And we're, obviously we're not going to be able to see every.
But this is what
little
most
chip
people
on it right
want,
now,
Dalton. They want something to jump in, drive downtown, have a lot of fun. If you get a little scratch, it's not the end of the world. It's got a few on it.
Yeah, just a
But
cool
the biggest
driver.
thing is a solid car underneath.
Chip's been touched up on that door edge there. Scuff there and there. Then a couple right here. Here's Chad talked about the fender on that one side. Here's the other side.
As we opened up the passenger side door, that door was absolutely perfect on the bottom, and so was the driver. Really nice. No one's ever put any seam seal or anything there. As far as the jam paint goes here, you can just tell here it's just I don't know what happened there. If it just got dried or
You can tell it's
something.
probably
Yeah.
there's that sticker they painted over.
Yep. They didn't do as good a job on the jam paint as they did on the outside, but still nice and shiny. Does have the rosewood steering wheel, CD player.
The
well.
driver's seat, as far as the cover's in good shape, it's a little wrinkly down here on the base where you sit.
Padding's a little weak or what?
Yeah.
We did get an alignment on it. Just got back from alignment. So we got that done. Quarter windows are nice, the rubbers. Windows all go up and down good too, so.
Starts easy.
It does. Horn works. Heater fan works on it as well. Wipers work. And we go through them all. We go through and do all the wheel cylinders on the brakes. This has just got the drum brakes on it. Go through all the wheel cylinders, turn the drums, all that kind of stuff. Sounds good. See how she drives. With the big 16-inch rosewood steering wheel, even without power steering, I mean, it steers nice.
Yeah, it does.
Very easy, actually. I like the power.
Yeah. You got the B&M shifter down and low so you can kind of go through it manually.
Speedometer works on it. Gas gauge works. It's at 3/4 of a tank. Brakes stop nice. You got a really nice pedal. Actually, we don't have no traffic today.
I know, it's kind of nice.
It is nice.
You don't have to sit at the stop sign forever like normal.
It's got a good idle to it. We got some air shocks on the back. We need to put a little more air in the air shocks. It's got some wide 17s on there. And when we hit that bump, when we were under acceleration, like right now it's fine, but as we were squatting and that front end was going up, the rear tires just made just a little bit of rub there.
Yep, on the back. So we just add air in the air shocks and raise it up a little bit.
Goes down the road perfect. The front end alignment's awesome. This is really a lot better car than I thought mechanically.
Yeah, it drives good.
Temperature gauge works. Going down the highway, we got 30 pounds, 35 pounds oil pressure. Temperature's up to 190. Then we're going to go ahead and hit the brakes. They are drum brakes. Guys did an awesome job on them. You got a nice full pedal, stop nice and straight, steering wheel straight. The only thing we got to do is put on the ticket is just add a little more. With both of us in the car, we got to add a little more air shocks.
Yep. Which
add a little more to them. Seemed like the transmission really shifted well. Though.
Yeah, it does.
Kind of in a mess right here.
Yeah.
Kind of in a pickle.
Butler County traffic jam.
We were just saying how nice it was.
Sounds good. That exhaust sounds awesome too. It's got a nice.
It does have a
nice
great
rumble.
idle too. It's tuned up perfectly.
Yeah, it is.
Traffic jam, are we good?
I think you're free to go.
Again, we might have just that little bit of tire rub on the very back if
As
we,
you
if
just
we
as you
hammer
accelerate.
it.
Yeah.
But we're just gonna put it right in drive and go once. Goes down the road awesome.
Yeah, it really does. Runs good. Nice and smooth, no rattles. Good car. Check it out on the site, coyoteClassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.